Welcome to Beach Garage, where I work on Japanese vehicles all day long here in Southeast Asia. And today we are working on the fuel system, in particular the fuel tank and the fuel pump. And I want to in particular show you guys how to measure a healthy pump's performance. Let's take a look. First thing you do is that you connect the two terminals together, and just notice that red on these are positive and black is negative, and so make sure you hook up your terminals accordingly. You need to have a battery beside. I put the negative terminal together with a vice clamp like that, and the positive one I can use it to trigger. Here we have the pump in a bucket of gasoline, and we're looking at the fuel pressure here when we trigger it. Let's take a look. All right, so we're getting so what I did is I already tested it. As you can see, it was moving. I'm testing it again. It was moving. So basically, if we read that 0 is here, 25 is here, and then after 25 it stops counting. So it's 25, 30, 35, around 40 psi for that. Now the next test we're going to do is a current draw, and you hook up a multimeter that can do current draw, and we simply connect the ends together. Let's take a look. Okay, there you saw it, 1.7. That's the old pump. Now let's do the new pump for reference. This is the new pump right here. It's not a brand new pump, but it's in a pump that has, it has a filter, which the other one didn't, and it's a but it is a genuine Suzuki. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have the new pump hooked up, connected to the battery, and we're looking at the fuel pressure. Now let's see what happens when I trigger it right now. So you see that. Now I let go of the trigger. It's still holding its pressure, which is good, but if we count the pressure starting at 0, we have 25, we have 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like plus 45. So that's excellent pressure, and it's better than the other one. Now let's look at the current draw. The current draw is going to be, all right, look at the current draw here. This one is at 4